guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nolthando Mbama for those of you that don't know me. Today is the 30th of November. It's a Wednesday, and I just wanted to kickstart with this video with doing this intro and welcoming you guys to the vlog. And today I just wanted to clean up the house, just to go into December in a clean space and actually maybe set up the Christmas tree as well. So we'll see where the day takes us. But I just wanted to welcome you guys to the vlog and to say enjoy. We are officially starting Vlogmas and I'm so excited. We're going to do a whole Vlogmas marathon. If you didn't know, in this channel, guys, we upload videos twice a week. So on Mondays and on Thursdays. But because it's Vlogmas, okay, we're going to make them a bit more, a bit more often. I'm going to surprise you guys with some videos, so I hope you're excited. And yeah, guys, let's get on to the video. I just want to start with cleaning up the house and making sure that we are entering December in a clean space. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you later. decorations. I'm fed up with these things, honestly. I do not want them near my Christmas tree. So I just want to hang the balls only. And the lights. The only thing is, I have the silver balls. These ones that are a bit gold, which I like. But I need to DIY some of the stuff because, you know me, before I buy anything else, I need to figure out if what I have works or not. So yeah, I'm just going to DIY these to a gold color because I have a gold spray paint, and just do that quickly and then we set up the Christmas tree.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
Christmas decorations that I have currently, and as I did mention that I'm going for gold and silver, so these ones are staying, these ones, but the rest of them I need to spray paint them and see how they turn out. And of course, if they don't turn out properly, then I'll have to figure out a way and buy new ones. Okay, so these are the ones I'm leaving behind. These ones are silver with glitter. This one is just plain silver. These ones, this is gold and this has more brown. So I'm happy with these ones. I don't really like this one. I think I'm going to make it gold. So these are the ones that I'm going to spray paint. We have this spray paint. It's bright gold.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
So this is my progress, and I think they look good. They're not bad actually. So I just need to, some of them I've already placed in the house, some of them broke, so clearly I need to buy maybe just one packet of these gold ones, and then to complete the Christmas tree, because it still looks a bit empty. So that's what we're gonna do, but I'm happy that this worked and I was able to actually make use of what I had. So an idea for you guys. I see this one, I still need to paint it a little bit here, but besides that I'm quite happy. No problemo. So let me take these in the house, the ones that are dry. This one is not dry, and yeah. Okay, so this is the final product. I'm so excited. Can you guys tell which ones are spray painted? They came out so beautifully. These are the silver ones. I didn't spray paint these, and these came like this. They were already like this. This is the gold one, and these are the newly spray painted ones. I think they look nice. They really look nice. I won't fault them anyway. And yeah, they just have that gold aesthetic that I was looking for.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A
is clean now. I just need to finish off the dishes, but I'll do that once I start cooking. And I just wanted to show you, we finished putting up the Christmas tree, which I am excited about. And the babies are watching Mowgli, of which they are always watching Mowgli, guys. We're tired of Mowgli in this house. But anyways, we finished putting up the Christmas tree, and I think it looks beautiful. I'm not completely done with this because one thing that I dislike are these things hanging like so. So I feel like it would be nicer if they just hung on like this. So I'm still gonna do that. And if you guys can see, this is the ball that I spray painted, so it looks really nice. And yeah, I feel like it's still missing a little bit of decorations. I still need to buy those big balls like this one. So yeah, that is that. I think it looks good so far, and I couldn't find a basket to put it in, but that's fine. We're gonna cover it with some Christmas presents. So yeah, I think it looks really good for now. I think it looks fair. Looks fair. And the house is clean, guys. I'm so impressed. Sorry. I am loving it. I'm loving a clean house at the beginning of the month. So I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you guys can see me there. I'm going to end this video right here. This is officially my first or day one Vlogmas video. Let me turn. So this is officially my Vlogmas day one. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.